Hi, welcome to highchess.com. In this video, we will learn how to make money using highchess.com. See www.hirecchess.com highchess.com. When you go to this website, if you click on membership, you can see silver tier membership, gold tier membership, platinum tier membership. You have mentioned what is the amount you need to pay for subscription, right? So some of my friends having difficulty during these days, and they're unable to pay $10, $15, $20 per month. For such people, see, if you want to buy the membership, just click get it now. Go there, enter the card. We accept Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Just type the card number, expiration date, CVC, and click on submit and checkout. Okay, that's how you become member. And if you become member, you'll be learning different courses in chess. Okay, for example, if you become member of this platinum membership, then you will have weekly 3 lessons, one strategy, one trap, and one opening. Okay. Oh, sorry, not one strategy. I think 6 strategies, one opening, one trap per month. So for that you pay around $15 in the first month, and after that you will pay $20 every month. Okay. So now how to make money using www.highchess.com. Go to home, click on affiliate register. See here, can you see affiliate register? Click on it. So it is also showing affiliate. So I will log off from this. Just hold on, it will come. Okay, now click on affiliate register. Fill the form, first name, last name, your phone number with your country code, email address, your residential address, city. If you are staying outside US, just click here outside US. See, if you are not a resident of United States of America, you just in the state option click outside US. Let's say you are in India, then select India in the country. You don't have to put any company name or website. Click on I have agreed to terms. Click on submit application. Once you click on this, go and check the email ID which you had given here. Okay. So if you go to email ID which you are registered, you will get a message like HighChess Academy affiliate application for welcome to HighChess. See, this is the password. Just copy it. If you want, please bookmark this email. Okay, and copy the password. Click here. So affiliate login has come. The registered email may put, password you put, remember me, login. See, in this, whatever the fees is charged to the user, in that 20% commission you will get. Okay, so click on creatives. Here, so go to membership in the highchess.com. See here, this is a trick. If you share or become a affiliate marketer for or silver tier membership, then you will get very less money every month. That's why you should select platinum membership. See, platinum membership is more expensive. It is $20 per month. That's why go there, click get it now. So here from the address bar, copy the URL. Again, get back to affiliate. See here, enter any URL from this site in the form below to generate a referral link. So Control V. I am putting here the URL of platinum membership, right? See, this is platinum membership URL which I have put here, and generate referral URL. See, if you want, you can create the similar referral link using gold and silver membership also. See, silver membership also you can click on get it now and copy the URL. Gold membership also you can click on get it now. Go here, copy this URL. Okay, just copy the URL, come here, when you log in inside the affiliate membership, go to creatives, referral URL generator, there you paste it and click on generate referral URL. So now you can create separate referral URL for silver, gold and platinum. Okay, this is the URL. After I click on generate referral URL, you get this. Okay, just copy this, click on Control A, copy, then you can put it in Facebook. This is Facebook. Just type things like, just don't copy and paste the link. Just type something like, hi, I came across this beautiful website to learn chess from home. Please click the link below to visit the website. Okay, just come down, click Control V. This is a website link you have got, you have given. Now you will be having a question like, how will the website know you have shared this link? See here, there is a website affiliate link ID. Okay, this will help the website to track down you are the person who has pasted this link anywhere in the internet. Okay, you can type other things like, hi, learn just to play in international tournaments. Click the link below. Okay, you can try another thing like, hi, I learn chess to become grandmaster. Click the link below. Maybe you can try another thing like, learning chess made easy. Click the link below. Okay, so simply click on post. See, I learned chess made easy. Click the link below. Membership checkout. You got it? So just click on the link below. If anyone comes, clicks on the link, they'll be directed to this. And if they put their card number, expiration date, CVC, and submit and checkout, then you'll be getting 20% of what they have paid this website. So see here, 20 into 20 divided by 100. That is $4. So if we every day if you get at least 10 people, you get $40. In 1 month, you will get $1,200. $1,200 every month you can earn by this website by simply referring. You just need to get 10 people every day. So for 30 days, you'll make this money. For Indian people, $1,200 into, let's say, $70 rupees. So 84,000 every month Indians can earn with this site using affiliate marketing. I hope you got the potential of this affiliate marketing to www.highchess.com. So apart from sharing in Facebook, what else you can do? Go to Facebook. Here, join to chess groups. See, join group. Join group. Just fill the form. Just hit on submit. So like that, to join more number of groups, okay, you always join chess groups. See here, chess groups, I am told. Join various chess groups, and after you post it, see, you have posted it in your wall. Now what you do is click on share, share to a group. See, this is one chess group, right? Just click on share. Like this, chess books, share. Chessler in Dairy, Indonesia, share. So for all those chess group, just share this. Okay? Apart from Facebook, you can try this in Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest, and all those things. At the same time, you can choose WhatsApp also. Just hit whatsapp.com, web.whatsapp.com. You will get this. In your Android phone, go to WhatsApp and there will be three dots at the top right of the WhatsApp profile. Click on it. Click on WhatsApp web in your Android phone and scan the QR code which is on the desktop. See, I just scanned it using my mobile phone. So I got this. Okay. Okay, see below is your referral URL. You can copy it and share anywhere. Na? So this URL, once you generate it, you can copy it, Control C, and text document. Control V. See, this is the referral link for platinum course. Platinum See, this is platinum membership affiliate link of www.highchess.com. Okay, so you just save it, select it, copy. So this link you can paste anywhere in the internet, in the Facebook groups. Now I will show you how to do it in WhatsApp. Okay, I once again log into this WhatsApp. So this is WhatsApp web. You can earlier there was a QR code here. I scanned that QR code using my mobile phone, WhatsApp, and I came to here. Okay, then let's say uh, so this is on contact in WhatsApp. Just just like Facebook, just type hi. Hi. I got this website where you can learn chess to be a grand master. Now put the link. Okay, so instead of sending to individual people, you can send it to WhatsApp groups. You can create WhatsApp groups. See, new group. Okay, this is how, by using Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, and if you want you can use also Instagram, Pinterest, and all those things to share this link and make money. Thank you for watching this video. Make money at the same time enjoy learning chess. So if you want to become a chess teacher, please do contact. if you like to become franchise, then contact 09844229094. If you like to teach chess to some more children or people, then you should sign up with us. For that, you will be having franchisee of our academy. This is the number which you should connect through WhatsApp. If you sign up with us, we will help you to take attendance online, give exams and tests online, at we will allow your students to participate in chess tournaments organized by us. So this is the benefit you get if you become franchisee for us. But from a website, you're free to learn anything, but you are not supposed to teach it to anyone without our written permission. So you can become franchisee for our academy. So learn chess, enjoy playing chess, make money from www.highchess.com by having affiliate link. Thank you. Take care.